Did you know snoring can be life-changing? It's not just embarrassing, and it's not just putting strain on your relationship. It might indicate sleep apnea, and that's gonna put strain on your body too. Do you know the most common reason for snoring? I do. Your tongue and other tissues fall back into your throat, blocking your airway. Those tissues vibrate together when you breathe, and that is the snoring sound. What do you think that means for you? Well, it means you might actually not be getting enough oxygen to your brain. That can leave you tired, even after 8 hours of sleep. So what are the other effects? Listen to the experts.
Cardiovascular disease,
diabetes, heart failure,
higher risk for strokes and cerebrovascular events.
Don't put off fixing your snoring. It gave me my heart health and my energy back, and it might just change your life too.